The Jamaica Constabulary Force in two tweets posted on their official Twitter page on Monday, June 14, at approximately 7:25 p.m. and 7:28 p.m. respectively, providing an update with the preliminary findings of the Independent Commission of Investigation as they continue their probe into the fatal Hayes Clarendon accident. The tweets stated, Indicom's Deputy Commissioner Amish Campbell has confirmed the initial JCF reports that there is no evidence to suggest the police shot at the vehicle or its occupants. Indicom confirmed that the Nissan AD wagon was not chased by the police. Indicom confirmed that the vehicle was signaled to stop by uniformed officers with a marked JCF pickup truck. Indicom confirmed that the vehicle was not fired upon prior to the crash. Indicom also acknowledged that there were visible tire marks on the roadway leading to the site of the crash. Two survivors have since been interviewed by Indicom.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!